Hello, welcome. Today's video we are covering a birthday that happened about a month ago. Little Sophia turned 7. Oh my. Yeah. Her last birthday was not so great. She slept through her last birthday, was in a coma, but this year, yeah, fully aware, fully awake, ready to enjoy, ready to dive in. So about a month ago, I shot all this footage. I was not able to post it, I was not able to edit it because right after her birthday is when the order flood from my business came in and we were just swamped. No time to edit videos, so I thought I'd pack it into this video really quick. And then after her birthday, we're going straight to today. We went to Yukon, Oklahoma and did some Christmas light seeing, or however you say that. Apparently that's a thing around here. You go into your car and you go to the park and you drive around the park real slow and you look at pretty Christmas lights. We thought, nah, we'll just walk around. So we parked the car and just walked through the park. That's also an option. It's not taken by many, but it is an option. So yeah, let's get back to the first part, Sophia's birthday, 7th birthday surprise party. And here you go, enjoy. Berg.
Yeah?
Hang on. There. I can't. Can you tell to the camera where we're going and what we're doing?
We're going to Nina's house to go open presents and to sing happy birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Sophia's party and Costa Phillips.
All right. That's what we're gonna do.
For
Me. Have a pig with
chocolate on her face.
She has chocolate.
What's that? Don't
cake.
touch.
Chocolate egg. Do you want this ring
I'm going on right now. Oh, okay.
There are 2 more things in there. Here's one. And here's. Ooh, look. Look inside here.
Oh my gosh, overstimulation.
Look inside of it.
She's like,
Right by this.
oh great. It's gonna be a night out. So do you want to sit down or stand up when we sing to you?
Or do you want me to pick you up?
I'm going to sit down in the chair or stand up?
Stand
Okay.
Sit down by me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sophia.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. And many more on channel 4. And Scooby Doo on channel 2. And the Big Fat Lady on channel 8. My best birthday ever.
I'm so glad.
Well, if you have that even better one next year. Mama. Mama.
You
mean your best birthday party? What? It's not your birthday. This.
Pajama pants. Unicorn kitties. Your two favorite things. Yeah,
Unikitties.
Unicorn.
Oh, did you get overwhelmed?
Yeah, she's done it.
Hey, Sophia.
Wow. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you.
down. Ready? Can you say thanks for watching, people?
Thanks for watching, people.
Yeah, may like and subscribe.
May like and subscribe.
Smash that like button one more time.
Smash down like button one more time.
Wear it out.
Wear it out.
And till next time.
Until next time.
Peace out.
Peace out.